Please support me by subscribing and liking.
The innovative sedan uses the sun to gain range when possible, but it's not exactly cheap. Valmet begins production of the Lightyear Zero in Finland, with the sleek sedan entering small volume production. The partially solar-powered sedan promises a range of 388 miles in the WLTP cycle, but also promises up to 11,000 kilometers of range from the sun each year. The pricey sedan is meant to be a technology demonstrator, ahead of the planned arrival of mass-market EVs from the same company. Lightyear Zero was always going to present a difficult equation, offering the most aerodynamic profiles in the industry with drag coefficient of 0.175 CD, along with a solar skin, enough to get 43.4 miles of range per day from the sun alone. But it also comes with a price tag of just over $250,000. Despite this ambitious proposition to prospective EV buyers and investors alike, Lightyear Zero has entered production this week in, occasionally, sunny Finland. In just 6 years, we have gone from an idea to a definite proof of concept. Within weeks, the first solar cars will be driving on European roads to give the world its first glimpse of clean mobility, the company said this week. The Lightyear Zero, formerly known as Lightyear One, is being produced by contract manufacturer Valmet at a rate of 1 car per week, not exactly a breakneck pace, but the total number of units Lightyear plans to build is just 150 cars. So this is more of a proof of concept that will be available for 150 owners to drive on the street, while Lightyear focuses on a mass-market model, due in 2025. Powered by a 61.2 kilowatt-hour battery weight only 771 pounds, and promising the highest energy density of any EV, the Lightyear Zero is said to offer a range of 625 kilometers, 388 miles, in the WLTP cycle, with a highway range of 347 miles. Depending on the amount of sun your locale enjoys, Lightyear says owners will be able to get between 600 and 11,000 kilometers, 3,728 to 6,835 miles, of range from the sun alone each year. The hood, roof, and hatch are covered in 782 IBC monocrystalline silicon solar cells, which feature a peak solar charging speed of 1.05 kilowatts. The innovative tech doesn't end there, as the Lightyear Zero also features 4 independently controlled in-wheel motors that produce a peak 170 horsepower combined. For traction inverters and direct drive in-wheel motors eliminate the need for energy-draining components, such as gearbox and driveshafts. Our drivetrain is not only in pole position for the highest efficiency on the market, it also reduces the number of rotating components for much lower maintenance, the company notes. It's easy to see how the cost of all of these technologies can add up quickly, up to $260,000 to be exact. But Lightyear isn't after volume production at the moment, rather using the innovative sedan to showcase its technologies for its next model.